All right, before you stop paying rent due to maintenance issues, make sure that you watch this video. Hey everyone, I'm Robin. I've been in property management now for several years, and I want to help people know what to do if they are considering stopping payment of rent due to maintenance problems. So your apartment has serious maintenance problems, and maybe some repairs are taking forever. Maybe you're angry, and maybe you're thinking, I should just stop paying rent. And oftentimes I see in social media posts where people say, just don't pay your rent. You don't have to pay rent if you have maintenance issues. But before you do that, you need to understand how badly that decision could backfire on you if you handle it in the wrong way. Just a quick disclaimer though, this is not legal advice. Every state and property management company are different. These are just some real resources and strategies to help out renters. So, number one, why would you stop paying rent due to maintenance issues? Honestly, I understand the frustration. You might have no air conditioning, your freezer may not be working, you may have broken appliances, you may have ongoing maintenance delays, you may have a leaky roof, or you may have mold concerns, and you may feel like management isn't holding up their end of the lease. Those are all major issues that you're going through and you'd really like your management company to fix. But from the property management standpoint, not all of those issues are emergencies. The first thing I would advise you to do is to make sure that you are putting in your service requests in the proper manner. If you just call and leave a voicemail for someone, it's very possible that it was not the correct person or that they did not receive it. Every property management company should have a way that they advise you, normally in the lease, but they advise you to put in service requests, and I would make sure that you followed that. If you haven't followed that at this point, I would definitely make sure that you follow that now, document that, and then give them time to get the issue fixed. In many states, refusing to pay rent can still result in late fees. It can still result in eviction filings, court costs that go along with that. And then obviously if you get evicted, damage to your rental history. The legal process though is much more specific than that in most cases. So in Iowa, there is a process to go about that if you really feel like the maintenance issues are not being handled correctly and are severe enough, but there is legal requirement for notice, legal requirement for service of the notice, and a time frame that you have to wait to give the landlord a chance to make the repairs before you can just stop paying rent. And I'm not an expert in all states, but I'm going to assume every state has their own process for renters in the tenant landlord law. So those would be my pieces of advice for you if you do have a maintenance issue. Document everything, make sure that you're following the landlord-tenant laws in your state regarding withholding of rent so that you don't end up getting evicted for non-payment of rent. Look, I'm not saying that anyone should have to live in terrible living conditions. I'm just trying to protect you from the legal and financial matters that may be affected if you do stop paying rent. Sometimes the way you handle a situation can affect your housing for years to come. Hey, if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to Behind the Lease. I want this channel to help renters understand how housing actually works from the property management side. And if you've ever considered not paying rent due to maintenance issues, go ahead and leave me your story in the comments below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.